5:45 in the morning. It's still kind of dark, so I guess winter's coming. Usually it's bright out right now, but this is usually when I wake up, go for my walks, try to beat the heat during the day. But fortunately, I think, like I said, the year's changing, so we're gonna be getting some cooler weather here shortly. But anyway, I like to try to go for 20 or 30-minute walk right when I wake up. I'll make sure to bring your water with you. Just kind of get that blood flowing this morning. Just try to get a little bit of these, a little bit of exercise in, get some calories burned, start your day, metabolism up. That's about it, really. One thing I will say is we do have some really nice sunrises and sunsets. I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday, and they're thinking about trying to start the keto diet, as they said, and lose a few pounds or whatever. I tried to explain to them, I was like, it's not really, it's great, but it's not really a diet. Everybody's always like, oh, diet this, diet that. It's like, eating keto is like a lifestyle. Most people who are on it understand that. It's, a lot of people think there's like fad diets. Those things never work. So it's like you're gonna eat, you're gonna be keto. Yeah, you're gonna be giving up some things, but because I've known some people that have done keto and then they stop. And it's not like an addiction, exactly, per se, but like, they'll stop and then all of a sudden, like any of their, progress or weight loss, they blow right back up. They just balloon up. They overload themselves with carbs and think, oh, okay, well, I lost my 15 pounds, so I'm gonna go back to eating, my French fries and all this like super carb heavy stuff, and then they gained it all back and then some. So it's a lifestyle. You got to stay committed, you got to stay focused, but you got to enjoy yourself too. If you're not enjoying it, then don't do it. Clearly, never do anything in life that you don't want to do. Other than the basic stuff that you kind of have to do, but like, this is your life. You do as you please. So be happy the best way you can. And for me, I think I found the in between, and I think that's like dirty keto for me. I don't really like strict keto. It's cool, but I still like to indulge sometimes. So I'll eat like some like dark chocolates and some of those keto brand ice creams. A few processed type foods. But it's still all really low carb. I keep it in there, and I'm always checking daily. I've got a breathalyzer. I prefer that than the blood pricker, because I don't want to keep poking myself every day. So and the breathalyzer is pretty accurate. So I'm always in like 2.5 to 3.0 when I'm measuring those ketones. So I know I'm constantly in ketosis. So it's working for me, and it'll work for you. It just depends on what you want to eat, how much you want to cook, how much you really want it, really, is what it's about. You can go super strict, and I'm sure you'll probably see faster gains, but again, there's a lot of different types of foods I like to eat, so I'll try not to limit myself too much. And another thing is, me going a little, lazy or dirty keto is that, like, I didn't want to lose weight super fast. That wasn't really my intention. In fact, the whole reason me starting keto has nothing to do with weight loss. But I'll get into that in another video. The thing is going dirty, strict, or dirty or lazy, I still lose my weight, but I don't lose it so fast. And I didn't want rapid weight loss, particularly because I don't want to end up having like just this giant extra flab of skin, you know. So losing weight rapidly is always gonna mess you up. You know, your body's going through like a massive change. So I like the slow and steady approach, you know, more gradual weight loss. I have been losing weight. I've lost close to 50 pounds, and it hasn't been like I don't have like crazy saggy skin. You know, I'm giving my body a chance to adapt to the weight loss. So that's just kind of another reason for me. All right, it's getting a little bit brighter out. It really is pretty awesome looking. Now, other than this like god-awful heat out here, I still really enjoy the sunrises and sunsets. Maybe next time I'll catch a sunset and come over here, you know, and they're just gorgeous. Anyway, I got my blood pumping here, so probably gonna head back here in a little bit and start thinking of what to cook for breakfast. But you know, I ordered a GoPro, so hopefully that'll be here soon. I'd like to use some kind of different editing, you know, or different recording rather than my phone. So hopefully I'll keep doing this. Maybe I'll kind of do these like morning walks too, make some videos of just kind of just chatting with, you know, anybody, and hopefully the quality is going to be a lot better. So anyway, I guess that's about it. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.